few people asked me during the series, what plugin do you use for IntelliJ to get syntax, highlighting and IntelliSense? And it's quite simple. I use the JS GraphQL plugin. So in my IntelliJ, it actually picks up that this file is GraphQLs and offers me to enable it. Or if yours doesn't, I would go to the marketplace and go to your plugins and install this JS GraphQL plugin. So here I've now clicked enable, I click OK, and I'm going to restart my IDE. So when it restarts, we should see the syntax highlighting. So now you can see the syntax highlighting plus the little GraphQL icon as well in all the files. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next episode.